he goes floating away.
You can have a couple seats and everybody has a row in a boat.
Wow, he was really, really tied up.
Hey, be careful, you.
Wow.
Hey, hey, don't do that. Making dust. That's just, don't do that.
Here he goes. Here he goes. Yay! See, don't you feel good about yourself now?